Hey everybody, it's Miss Roach. I hope you're doing well. I'm at Marshall right now, and we're excited to try a new project that involves collaborating across the district. That means students from Marshall are going to be sending you, students from Bogan and Kramer, some information, and we want you to write back to them. We're going to be using tools that you've used in STEM. Let's get started. On your Google Classroom, I am going to share a document with you that looks like this. At the top, you will see that it has the teacher at Marshall, and here you will see that there is a teacher listed from Kramer and Bogan. For example, if you are in Mrs. Cheatham's class, you are getting information from Mrs. Likens' class, and the same for Mrs. Haskins' class. If you're in Mrs. Haskins' class, you're getting information from Mrs. Likens' class. Students in each class will be numbered from 1 to 25. This is like your Chromebook number. You might be number 1, you might be number 17. That's how we're going to pair you up with your partner from Marshall. There are 3 links below: Padlet, Flipgrid, and Jamboard. You're going to first click on the link, find the student number that is like yours, and respond to their question. If you have time, you can respond to others. One thing I want to tell you, when we did this, there were some students that were absent, or maybe there's a number like, let's say number 3, maybe moved away. So you might log in and there may not be a number 3. If there's not a number 3, you can find another number and respond once to their post. Let's take a look if I click on this Padlet link. When I click on this, students have asked you a question. Find the student that has the same class number as you. If your class number isn't there, you can respond to one other person. Respond to the question using complete sentences. Remember to think about your digital footprint. What you are putting online will be available for others to see. Stay safe and responsible. Once you click on the Padlet wall, it looks like this. There's the student name, there's the student number, and here's the class. They were asked to ask you a question. Some of them may be about different topics. Some of them may be a question like, would you rather do something? And at the bottom of their post, there will be a space right below it for you to respond. Okay, right now it's turned off. As soon as I send it to you, it will be turned on, and you will find your student number. You will read what they wrote to you, and you will respond. Once you respond, you can exit out of the Padlet. The next thing is Flipgrid. Students have shared a Flipgrid with you. You will find their number and you will respond. And again, if there's not a number that's like yours, you can respond to somebody else. Remember to stay safe and responsible. Find the correct number. Listen to their video.
Hi, my name is Jude, and I am a 4th grader at Marshall Elementary.
And then you will be able to respond. Finally, there is a Jamboard. Jamboard is a tool where we can share thoughts and ideas. For this activity, you aren't responding to somebody in particular, but you're sharing your opinion. Let's see what the Jamboard looks like. This is a series of Post-it notes. Bogan will respond with an orange Post-it note. Kramer will respond with a yellow Post-it note. Marshall will respond with a blue Post-it note. The question is, which part of STEM do you enjoy the most? Find the correct page, science, technology, engineering, and math, and insert a Post-it note. Be sure to include your name and school and why you enjoy that area most. So there's 4 pages: science, technology, engineering, and math. You will find the topic that you like the most, and you will insert a Post-it note. A sticky note is this icon here. So if I click on the icon, remember, if I'm at Bogan, I need to be an orange Post-it note. If I'm at Marshall, I'm a blue Post-it note. And if I'm at Kramer, I'm a yellow Post-it note. So let's pretend I'm at Kramer. I'm going to say my name. I'm going to say my grade. And I'm going to say Kramer. Then I'm going to say, I enjoy technology the most because it allows me to use new tools on my Chromebook. Tinker and Google Drawings are two tools that I like to use. If I save that, it becomes a Post-it note. My Post-it note now is on the wall. What you'll notice is that it goes over top of other people's work. So I'm going to drag it to a space. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so people can see it, and then I am going to keep my Post-it note there. You'll also notice that you can move other people's work. When you are a good digital citizen, you do not touch other people's work. We're going to respect their work and make sure our work is out of the way. If mine is on top of somebody or near somebody, I am the only one that should move it and be able to add my opinion to this Jamboard. Once you've added your opinion, you can exit out of it, and you have completed your task for our collaboration project.